Hey, Colin. Hey, fat face. You got all that cupcake off for you, huh? All right. All right. Oh, wow. Banging your head. Come on. Come on. What do you got there, Thomas? Henry. The choo-choo train. Woo, Indian, huh? Yeah. Colin. Colin Michael. Epa. That time. That time. Hey. Let's get some bubbles. Yeah. You don't want bubbles? What's the matter? They smell good, smell. I love Mr. Bubbles. Oh, it reminds me so much when I was a kid. Oh! Hey! Elmo! Elmo! Yay! Yay! Ah! Get him! Elmo loves you. Right? Is that how it goes? Look at Elmo. Check him out. Hey. Hey. Colin. Look, he's beating you up. Boom. 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 You don't care, right? Oh, you got the submarine, huh? A little boat. Those are mommy shampoos over there. Nah. Come on. Oh, man. That's Daddy's. You want to smell like a man. Suave for men. I'm over here advertising shampoos and bubble bath. This one's yours. This one's yours. Mr. Bubbles. Yeah. Baba. Bubbles. Bubbles. Say Bubbles. Bubbles. Baba. Baba. Yeah. All right. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Oh, yeah, shake it, shake it, shake it. Oh, don't drink it. All right, bye-bye. Gotta take this away. Bye.